Face. Hey, YouTube world, YouTube. Hey, coming back from doing a little test run in my 2001 CL500 after replacing my coolant temp sensor and the air mass meter boot. That was caused a vacuum leak. Cars is originally from Southern California. They would dry it out. So I put in some new gaskets and yeah. So far it's been good. No check engine. It's cleared up. You know. Hey, I lucked out. So other than that, she's been good to me. You know, so far so good. Got to get her ready because I may have to take her cross country. Well, halfway across country. If things don't work out here, I'm gonna have to definitely take another long ride because things aren't working out like that. But I didn't come here to whine on your shoulders about it. It's not your concern. The fact is, it's been good to me, and I'm enjoying the car. I enjoy ownership. It's been a couple of months so far. Well, I got this car in October, and we're in the new year. Oh, and a Happy New Year, by the way. I don't keep on going with the Happy New Year business because I'm not a big holiday celebrator. Anyway, but so far so good. The next thing I have to do is get the high beams and the low beams sorted. For some reason, the wiring is a little chewed up, and from what I've read and what I see, there are resistors at the bottom of the wiring, and the headlights are a pain in the ass to take out, and I'm just really not in the mood, you know, pulling off the bumper and all that stuff. That's crazy. I'm not doing all of that. So anyway, but other than that, I've been quite happy. A little spooked at times with this ABC. If it weren't for this ABC, I would definitely recommend this to anybody. You know, it's a Mercedes-Benz. It's a Mercedes, top of the line, good car. You know, if you know how to turn some wrenches and some screwdrivers, you know, hey, go for it. You know, if you don't know and you have to go to the mechanic, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. For any car, for that matter, don't do it. But so far everything's been cool. No complaints. About to park this car. Just wanted to share that info with you guys. I hope that you all have a great one and you enjoy the rest of your year. Hopefully it's a safe, prosperous one. All right? Take care, y'all. Rock on. Keep them cars driving. Keep turning them wrenches. All right? My man Native Bushman always that's the master, my master guy there. He's the one that made it happen. He gave me a lot of insight. So I just want to shout that out to him too. I would have been afraid to buy most of these cars, but I'm not. Funny things and all. All right? Take care, y'all. Be good. Peace.